Hello students, welcome to PLK Computer Sir. In this tutorial video, we are going to discuss about how to download code blocks. Okay, for that one, type code block. Okay, in search box, if you'll click at first, you will get codeblocks.org. So you are requested to click on that. Okay, so this is the open source cross platform free C++, and for grade 10, 11 and 12 we need this C programming compiler. So this compiler is needed for you. Okay, my dear students, and there is one good news. So after 2017, okay, after 3 years, on 19th March 2020, this code block 20.03 is released. Okay, so to download, click on this download. Okay, my dear students, so click on this number one, download the binary release. Okay, after that you can select your platform, whether you are working on Windows, Linux or Mac. Okay, so accordingly, so currently I'm using this Windows 10. Okay, so we have here Windows 10 by default. Okay, my dear student, and here are lots of version. Okay, so I request you, so this one, the code block 20.03 mean GW setup executable file includes additionally the GCC, G++, G410 compiler and GDB debugger from mean GW W64 project version. This one, so this one is good. Okay, so this one, so code blocks 20.03. so I request you, so any either of anyone you can click on. So just time click on this one. When you click on this one, okay, so one file will be downloaded to your local machine. This is the setup file. Okay, my dear students, so it is 145 MB, so it will take little bit time. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, let it to download. Okay, after downloading I will see you how to install this one, and this video link also I will give you in description box, or you can just go through this one. Okay, so let it to install in our, sorry, this file will be downloaded. Okay, in the download folder. Okay, when it is completed, then one by one I will teach you. Okay, after completion just click on this one. Okay, so opening this one, now we don't need this one, so I am closing this one. Okay, so we have to give this permission yes. So after yes, so this code block, it is going to install. Click on next. So these are the license agreement, read if you want, otherwise click on I agree. After this default install everything. Okay, click on next, click on install. Okay, so this file will be installed in your computer. Okay, so it will take little bit time. It should come here, this green line. Okay, and my dear students, so this is the C compiler. C++ also we can write in this code block. Okay, so this C program compiler is needed for the grade 10 and new syllabus of grade 11 and 12 as well. Okay, so I suggest you at first please install this one to your machine. Okay, so if you install it, then it will be easy for practice, because programming language, okay, if we write anything, okay, and if there is any error, syntax error or anything, then this compiler will give the error message, then we can correct it. Okay, that's why we need the compiler. So installing, please wait while code block is being installed. Okay, my dear students, so when it is installed, okay, so next time we can begin our program with this one. So this code block icon, like recycle bin, this is the icon of code block. So when if you double click, then this code block will open, and here is the four colors, so blue color, green color, red color, and yellow color. So these four colors, this icon blocks are there, that's why it is called code blocks. So it is installing, it will take little bit time. So after installation, I will write one very simple program, and I will show you how this is going to work. Okay, so it is going to be complete now very soon. So this should come up to this one, this green line slowly increasing, it should come up to this much, then it will be completed. So have patience, my dear students. Okay, so some technical things, so we cannot be in hurry. Okay, so slowly let's hope it will complete fast. So once you install, then it will be easy. So this is the open source software, free software. Okay, so we can use, we can practice so easily. You can download and install, there is no very difficult step in installing of this code block. Okay, now it is going to complete. Okay, so do you want to run code block now? If you do, yes, also. Okay, otherwise I will. Okay, so yes, now you have installation complete, congratulations. Okay, so finish. So now it is going to open. So the open source 20.03, it is the latest version. So this is the things. Okay, my dear students, so this is the interface. Okay, so first time I request you, so click, you can go click on file, new. So at first empty file. Okay, then we have to save. So file, so you can do save or save as also. Okay, so let me make one folder here. So I will click here this folder, I will write here C programs. Okay, so all program will be saved under this one. So select this save programs. So first file I will write my first program dot c. Okay, this is the extension, and click on save. Okay, my dear students, so I can show you in documents. Okay, we have here C programs and one my first program, it is saved. Okay, it is a C source file. Okay, now I am going to write the main function void main. So first we can write hello world. So this is the first program. After this one we have to give the terminator, that is semicolon. Okay, my dear students, hello world, then get cs. Okay, in order to hold the output screen, then click on this save button, so it is saved. Okay my dear students, so we have here build, run and build and run. So I suggest click on there. Okay, so if we click this one, so hello world it is coming, it means our program installed correctly. So you can use it. Thank you very much. Okay, so now you can look here my dear students, before it was my first program only. After that two more program is created, okay, by the code blocks. So one is this my first program object file, okay, then next is application. Okay, so if we click on this one, so nothing, no need, directly it can open. Okay, so my dear students, like some program we run, that is application file, executable file. Okay, so this is the source file, this is the executable, and this is the object file. Okay, so if you save program and run, so three types of file will be saved under this folder. Okay, program folder. I hope you are understanding. Okay my dear students.